Hey guys, Short Stack Survival here. I'm super stoked to show you some new accessories I got for the Glock 42. First of all, we're going to be installing a Streamlight TLR-6, and then we're going to be checking out this brand new holster that I got, custom made from Havok Holsters. And so they definitely complement each other, and I can't wait to show it to you. So without further ado, let's dive down into the table and take a closer look at the Havok holster and the TLR-6. So here is the TLR-6, my Glock 42. I need to safe and clear that, and then my new holster. Let's take a look at what Havok Holster sent us. Havok Holster patch, little hook and loop, and it's in multicam black. And then I've got some spring steel clips. I've never used them before, so I wanted to see how they work. My favorite belt attachment are these soft loops. So it looks like I've got some cool stickers from Havok Holsters. I really dig it. I mean, who could say no to Jesus with an AR? Got some cool bumper stickers here. So this is the original print that's on this. What ended up happening was the combination of the two, the topographic lines ended up being a hue of orange. It almost turned into like a greenish yellow. And then I went ahead and had him add the wing here that kind of pushes it away from your belt, so that way you're not printing so bad. So I've never really had an EDC dump tray before, but I thought, hey, what the heck, I'll add it to the order. And then that way you guys can see the kind of customization that he can do. I think it's a really cool thing that he's able to accomplish there. So let me put that aside. Here's the magic for today. You know, if you tried to order this early before you got this, you wouldn't be able to use it because most of the retention is gonna be exactly on the light. I usually like the high to mid guard, and it looks like it gives me plenty of room for my little Vickers racker. This is a TLR-6 non-laser. It's 100 lumens, and it fits Glock 42, 43, 43X, and 48. So you get a little Allen key, and you get the flashlight, instruction manual, and some stickers and stuff. There's the flashlight, so it's already got the battery pre-installed. It has a push pad on either side, so that's pretty handy. So you can turn it on and off on either side. Oh, okay, so this is the battery door. I may have to use my little screwdriver here. There we go. So you can swap out the batteries while this is still installed. That is super awesome. Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize that. So it comes with 2 batteries, and then you remove these 3 hex screws. All right, there you go. So you get 2 pieces, and this allows it to clamp over the trigger guard. So it looks like they want us to put this side here. There we go. Oh my gosh. So push it down. These are itty bitty. It'd probably be easy to over torque them. All right, let's get these batteries back in. Cool, check that out, guys. It butts up to the end just perfectly. That looks really nice. That looks great. Gosh, even with my tiny fingers, I can activate it. And then what I'd probably really do is just come up here and activate it as needed. You know, 50% of situations where you may find yourself needing to draw this, it could be in low light. Now, the moment of truth. Is this gonna fit in my brand new Havok holster? Oh, wow. So it's a little bit loose. Most retention is gonna be down here, so I'm just gonna give this a tighten, and we'll see what that does. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, I may even do that a little bit tighter. There we go. Oh yeah, that's really good retention, so that'll be nice. So we just went from this basic holster, which nothing wrong with it, to this bad boy. So I took a few minutes to play around with the new holster setup here, and I ended up switching to the steel spring clip, and I really like it. I've never ran one. They're super thin, and I like that there's 2 of them. There's a little retaining hook underneath there. It's awesome. And then I ended up deleting the little wing here. I have yet to find a holster that I actually enjoy that has that on it. So I keep trying it, but I keep not liking liking it. So one recommendation I have for you guys is that, you know, if you buy little bits and pieces and you end up taking them off or switching them out, hold on to them, because what ended up happening was, because of the thickness of the wing, when I deleted it, the screws were too long and they didn't include spacers. So I went into one of my containers labeled handgun parts and accessories, holsters, and so I was able to find these spacers in there. It would be nice if manufacturers included all the bits and pieces in case you wanted to delete something, maybe shorter screws. You know, maybe they're also assuming that you ordered it exactly how you want it. So with the old holsters, what I usually do is just take a moment and write what the holster is for, and I usually just kind of put it in that same bin that I keep all my parts and accessories, and then I know exactly what gun this is for. Usually holsters are kind of darker colors, so I recommend using a metallic Sharpie. I really like the safety orange interior, so when you're reholstering, you can very quickly see that there's nothing in the holster that could be blocking you from inserting it. And the reason why that's a good thing is because it could hit the trigger as you're inserting it. Always put your thumb on the back of the slide when you're reholstering, and that way when you're holstering, if you feel resistance and it's pushing on the slide, you'll feel it back here at your thumb, and then that's when you would want to take it out and look at what's in the holster. It's ingrained in me after years and years with the state patrol. Anyway, just wanted to give you guys a quick update that this is the configuration that I decided on, and it's super comfy. I really dig it, and I really like this EDC dump tray. I like that bright orange. Being able to identify your holster and safely guide your pistol into it is really nice. One of the issues I had when I was trying to run that concealment wing was with the neck belt, it's so rigid, it just made this huge air gap in my pants. And it was like right here, so it just like stuck out like a sore thumb. And it's probably because I like to carry here at this position, so I'm thinking that's more meant for appendix carries, but I thought I'd just give it a try. Yeah, I just kind of wanted to show you guys how the Glock 42 conceals. I usually have the flush fit mag in, and then I have the Vickers Tactical Plus 2 magazine in this little magazine pouch. Hey Ginger, here, you want to be in the video? Wow, baby, you're just gonna inject yourself in the video? Wow, what do you have to say about that, huh? Oh yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't want to miss out on future videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video.